Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn greetings together, step by step. In this chapter, we learn about greetings. That means the nice, polite words we say when we meet people. We say, good morning when the day begins, good afternoon in the day, good evening when the sun goes down, and good night before we sleep. We also use polite words. Hello when we meet. Please when we ask. Thank you when someone helps. Sorry when we make a mistake. The nice idea is to greet people with a smile and use polite words. When we are kind and polite, we make good friends. To recap, greetings are polite words like hello and good morning. We say please, thank you, and sorry. Always greet with a smile. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.